instead of feathers or fill the nest. And she hangs upside down in a tree to rest. Anyone know what kind of animal this is? That's right, it's a bat, the world's only flying mammal. So meet Yuri, our giant fruit bat. Well, she's not quite so giant yet because she's still young. Some people think that bats are scary monsters. Guys, nakakatakot na talaga sila? Well, the answer is no. Yuri here is a very gentle creature. Actually, she eats fruits. She uses her wings to fly and to move to tree branches looking for fruits and berries. Can you show us them, Conrad? Just like that. Amazing, di ba? But I think everybody's wondering, why do bats hang upside down? May idea pa kayo kung ba sila nakabaliktad? Well, there are a couple of reasons, but first of all, try this. Close your tight like this, come on. See how much energy it takes to do that. Then, relax. What happened? Your hand is open, right? Well, the bat claws works the opposite. When she relaxes, her claws are closed. So she has to work to open them. And when she grabs into a branch and hangs, she is more relaxed and more comfortable. And the other reason is, her legs are so small and so thick. So she can walk on them or take off from the ground like a bird. At ano gagawin niya? She has to climb into a high place. Theory? Ayan, at kapag nasa taas na siya, she actually falls to fly. Wow, just like that! Ano pa naman natin, Yuri? Well, I think Yuri here would like to ask all of you. So please, protect her friends in the wild before they disappear forever. And tell everyone you know that bats are not mean scary creatures. So please, don't hunt them, hurt them, eat them, or give them a pet. Let's hear it for Yuri, together with our trainer, Conrad. Now guys, this next animal that I'm going to introduce to you is one of my favorite friends. But it's feared by many humans for no good reasons. Hindi ko alam kung bakit eh. Maybe because she moves silently to the forest, slithering from side to side, tongue darting out, and eyes never close. Anyone know what kind of animal it is? Snake? Well, it's right. So meet my friend. Guys, yung supply namin nawawala sa likod. So can you please take a look under your seat para sa sila? Guys, dala sa store, sila sa black backpack. Basta ito na. Let's see what we have. Wala niyo sinayin ninyo? Nasa dyan? Ayun, dito pa lang. This is Leia, a reticulated python. You know guys, python is the world's longest snake. And they can grow up to 9 meters long. But they're not venomous and not aggressive. So if you see a python, just leave it alone and it will get out of your way as quickly as it can. Guys, if you think this is just a dumb snake, well, think again. Because you also have keen senses that we humans can only dream of. Okay, for example, ayan. Papansin niyo ba yung dila niya? Labas-labas, di ba? Let's keep sticking her tongue out because she's smelling the air with it. Try that sometimes. Hirap, di ba? She can also sense heat from the tiny holes along her upper lip. Can you do that? And see this beautiful pattern on her skin. Ayan. Napakaganda, di ba? Well, it helps her to blend perfectly to her environment. Just like a tree branch over here. And that's what we call camouflage. Okay? Now guys, may tanong ako sa inyong lahat. Kasi most people think that snakes are slippery and slimy. So, totoo ba? Slippery and slimy ba sila? No? Yes? Ano ba talaga?
Sometimes.
Okay, that's a nice idea. So, maybe we need a brave volunteer from the audience. Any brave volunteer? Okay. So, ano pangalan nila? Ayun, Bianca. Ganda naman ng pangalan. Pero Bianca, ako ba si Snake? Right lang. Hindi madadalihan yata tayo ngayon ah. I think, hindi ka pa natutukan ng Snake before. So ito yung first time mo. Biro lang. Okay, ganito na lang. We're going to play a little game. We're going to present 3 items, one at a time. Then